Alright, so this is our starting point. I have my comb twists already. Nothing wrong with them, I just want more and smaller ones. So I'm going to be taking the Mango and Lime Locking Cream Wax as opposed to the Locking Gel. That works as well, but the wax has a stronger hold, smells just as great. And you're going to start off with your twist, and pretty much you just want to find as much towards the middle of it as you can and split right down the middle. So now you see we have that in two separate pieces. I'm going to take a little bit of that wax between the two fingers that I'll be twisting with. And starting at the base, I'll apply that wax and then just twist in the direction that your comb twist was already going. Once I feel like I have the base all nice and tight and secure, I'll work that product down the rest of the twist. Then just grab you a clip, clip it in there so it doesn't untwist and it stays tight so that can set. And you basically just move on to the next one. And we're gonna be doing this all over the head. So here I'm just taking that second twist that I made, applying that product and twisting all the way down. Then I'm gonna grab my clip and secure it. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing. Grab a twist, split the twist the twist, clip the twist. So this is what that first row looks like in the back that we just did. As you can see, I've doubled the number of twists that I have. And so that's what they all look like clipped. So I did do a little bit of the work off. So I'm gonna take my product and complete the rest of the process. I just like to go over mine with a blow dryer. If you have a hooded dryer, it's definitely preferred, but I don't have a hooded dryer, so I'm just using my blow dryer. Another alternative, you can just leave these clips on, wrap your head up, and sleep with them overnight, and that's gonna also set your twist. But to save time and for the video, I'm gonna use my blow dryer. I removed my clips, and this is the finished product. Double the twist, double the fun. But yes, it came out great. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!